Hi everyone, today we will discuss about measures of lines and angles. The instrument used to measure exact length of line segment is. యాక్చువల్గా మనం లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ని మెజర్ చేయడానికి స్కేల్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. కానీ స్కేల్ ని యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి స్ట్రైట్ గా చూసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ లెంత్ వస్తుంది, సైడ్ నుంచి చూసినప్పుడు రాంగ్ వస్తుంది. సో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ లెంత్ ని మెజర్ చేయడానికి డివైడర్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తారు. యాంగిల్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్డ్ బిట్వీన్ టూ రేస్, టూ లైన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో టూ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్స్. ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ is all the above. Match the angles by measure. First we should know about the type of angles. 0 degrees, 0 angle. Here less than 90 degrees, so acute angle. Here the angle is equal to 90 degrees, right angle. Here the angle is more than 90 degrees, so obtuse angle. Here the angle is equal to 180 degrees, straight line, straight angle. Here the angle is more than 180 degrees, reflex angle. Here the angle is 360 degrees, complete rotation, complete angle. Now match the angles. Acute angle, less than 90 degrees. Right angle, 90 degrees, equal to 90 degrees. Zero angle, 0 degrees. Obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees. Reflex angle, more than 180 degrees. Straight angle, equal to 180 degrees. Complete angle, 360 degrees. The angle between the hands in a clock at 3 o'clock is. At 3 o'clock, right angle is formed. The angles whose ray moves in the opposite direction of the hands of a clock are called. Opposite direction of the hands of a clock. Those angles are called anti-clockwise angles. The angle between the hands in a clock at 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, the angle is 0 degrees. The angle between the hands in a clock at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, straight angle is formed. Among the following, the straight angle is. Straight angle means 180 degrees. Angles are constructed or measured with the help of protractor. Among the following, the complete angle is. Complete angle, 360 degrees. An angle smaller than right angle and greater than 0 degrees is called. Greater than 0 degrees, smaller than right angle. It is acute angle. If two lines have a common point, then they are called. If two lines have a common point, then those lines are called intersecting lines. If two lines intersect each other at right angle, two lines intersect each other at right angle, those lines are called perpendicular lines. Here L and M are perpendicular lines. Write it as L is perpendicular to M. The letter in the English alphabet possesses perpendicularity is. In the given options, L. Here these two lines intersect at right angle, 90 degrees. So the letter shows perpendicularity. And also letter H, T. Here these two lines intersect at right angle. So it shows perpendicularity. And also I. If two lines on a plane do not intersect each other at any point, they are called. Two lines do not intersect. Then these lines are called parallel lines. Here L and M are parallel lines. Write it as L parallel to M. Among the following that represents parallel lines is opposite edges of scale, railway track, opposite edges of rectangle, opposite sides of rectangle are parallel. So all the above represents parallel lines. A reflex angle is more than a. Reflex angle means more than 180 degrees. Straight angle is 180 degrees. So a reflex angle is more than a straight angle. The units of measuring an angle is degree. In the adjacent figure, a pair of intersecting lines is. Here these two lines are intersecting. So AC and BD are intersecting lines. Option C. And also here AB and CD are parallel lines. BC and AD are also parallel lines. And here AB and AD are intersecting at right angle. So AB and AD are perpendicular lines. The adjacent edges of a scale is example for. The adjacent edges. Adjacent edges is an example for intersecting lines and also intersecting at right angle. So these are intersecting lines and also perpendicular lines. So both A and B.